Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and fine. So today I'll be solving the problem of week 5. The course name is Introduction to Programming with MATLAB. We are starting this series. If you watching this video, till the time I have completed till week 4, so I'll start from week 5 today. So I'll be solving the first assignment of this question, which is the built-in function. So let me open it in the new window. It's opened here. So it is taking some time for opening. Wait till the time. So let me open the what is the question's name. The title of this question is minimum and maximum. So what is the so I have to write a function called minimax. The function name should be minimax, and if you're writing this code on the MATLAB as I'm writing the file for this code should be minimax.m. And if you don't have the MATLAB software installed in your PC, so you can run the MATLAB code online. How to run it? I have made the video on this. I'll put the link in the description below. You can check it out that as well after watching this video. Okay, so after that let me read the next section. A matrix input argument, it takes a matrix as an input argument. Okay, and returns MMR, a row vector. MMR is a row vector containing the absolute value of the difference between the maximum and minimum valued element in each row. Okay, in each row, the question says MMR will return. If we are talking about the first row, the maximum value is 94 and the minimum is 18. So 98 minus 18 is 94 minus 18 is 76. So 76 is here. So similarly in the second row as well, the maximum element is 71 and the minimum is 4. So difference for this is 67. So it is a, and what M will return? It will return it provides the difference between the maximum and minimum element in the entire matrix. The maximum element in this matrix is 94 and the minimum is 4. So difference between this is 94 minus 4 is 90. So what I have to write? It has been clear. So now let me start the code from here. So starting the code, first write a function. What it will return? It will return a matrix of two values. Okay, and let's first one is MMR and the second one is MMM. And what is the function name? I should write the function name correctly here. Minimax. It takes an argument, a matrix. Let's say the matrix M. Okay. So first let me conclude first let me assign this first row is the maximum for this row, the minimum for every row. So maximum for the row is max row. We can say max row is equal to what will be the maximum of M dash. So maximum of this. After that, P should minimum of row, mean row is equal to mean of similarly M dash. Is till the time it is okay. So what will be the max mean difference? So it will be max mean difference. What is the max mean difference? Max mean difference is max row minus min row. Max row minus min row. Okay. Now one should the second argument what it returns? The total maximum and minimum argument. Okay. So I have written the max min difference is okay, and the total difference should be equal to what? Total difference should be equal to maximum of max row, which is max row. Maximum element should be in the max row, and the minimum element should be in the row. Okay, till the time it is okay. Now what I have to return? I have to return A as a max mean difference. So A is equal to max mean difference. Okay, B is min row. The total difference. Let me run this code. I hope I have not done any the typing mistake. So let me run. So first it has been set by minimax because the function name is minimax. So let me run it. Okay, it is showing the here. Okay, now let me run. Let me copy it. Okay, let me semicolon. Let me run it. What it should return. Heart 8 and 11. So let me first run. Okay, I've run it. Let me control. What is? Let me verify it from here quickly. A is equal to ran di 100,34 100,3,4. Okay. Okay, let me quickly verify it. Minimax max of A. Is it giving right or wrong? AP. Okay, let me first here. No, it should return AB. Okay, and what is A? A78. No, it is wrong. I think so. So let me verify with this code. Okay, A is equal to okay. Here is 4 minus 1. 12 minus 1. It is returning right. Well, let me somewhere. I think the code should be wrong somewhere. Yeah, it's wrong because I have done some mistake. I have not understand it. What should I do? There is a problem in my code which I submitted previously. As you can see from here, in this code I have done some mistake. So I have rectified this code. So let me quickly elaborate it. I have written the function, and the function will return to A and B. Minimax function. The function name is minimax, and it will take a matrix. Okay, the maximum row is equal to max m dash. What it will return? It will return the maximum of every row one by one. Do you understand what it? If we let me take an example. If the matrix is this one, so what max row return? Max rows will return this one, the maximum of this, after the maximum of this, maximum of this. So let me show you quickly. So minimax of A. So what is max rows? Max row. Max row. Okay, max rows is undefined. No problem. I can max rows and min row we can see from here as well. So okay, let me CLC A. Okay, so let me run the function again. Now you can see max row. What is the maximum value of this one? 66. It is 60. And the maximum value of this one 63. Maximum value of this one 82. 98. So similarly, min row will return the minimum element of every row. So it will return, and maximum rows minus minimum row, it will return that like that. Now I hope it should work now. So let me go and run my function. I should run this function so that no error should occur. So I'm submitting, the function as code as passed all the tests. So let me put this code in the GitHub. Git add install कर देता हूँ. All the code has been git commit minus m week 5 and minimax solution. So let me commit it, and after that let me push it. I pushed it in my GitHub. It is taking some time. Yeah, it has been done. So you can let me open my GitHub repo, or I'll put the link of my GitHub repo in the description below. You can check it out from there as well. So introduction to program, here I'll put all the Coursera assignment solutions. So in week 5, if you go to here Minimax, you can take the code from here as well. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this, thank you so much for watching this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely outside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Your love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no,